Yo guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Today we're in Melbourne CBD and I'm just going to be going over some model photography tips and tricks. Let's go. First tip is trying to shoot at the lowest aperture possible. Try to shoot at about f1.4 or f2.8 so you get that nice bokeh and the background. If you're shooting your model at night, try to keep your ISO as low as possible. Unless you have a Sony like this baby, then you can blast your ISO as high as you want. Alright, so if you want to start doing model photography and you don't know who to use, you can always try to self-portrait by using a tripod, or you can just use your friends or reaching out to smaller models that are around your local areas. There's always going to be someone that will be down to model, such as Dylan today. Roll the clip.
Dylan's here!
I wouldn't put that in. Okay guys, so we got Dylan here. He's gonna be the model for my video today. Thanks Dylan for modeling and coming out today.
All good.
I'll chuck his Instagram down in the description. Got anything to say?
Nothing. Welcome. Welcome. Yeah.
Let's continue. Alright, so the next tip is choosing a great location and using the correct colors on your models. So for instance, we're at Chinatown now, as you can see. And Dylan's wearing a clean black and white outfit which will stand out with the reds and all the other buildings at Chinatown. So let's go. Alright, so the last tip for today's video is lighting. You want to get some perfect lighting so you can see the model's face perfectly, and a great spot is right here. If you want to go the extra mile with these signs and lights, you can always use a pair of sunglasses and get a cool reflection, like this. So guys, I hope these tips helped you improve your model photography, and I hope you like the new style of these videos where it's really cinematic instead of all like the vlogs. Let me know if you like these videos and I'll make some more. Also, I'd like to thank Dylan for modeling in today's video. Just like today, I used my friend, as I said before. Make sure to use your friends. They'll always be more than happy to model for you. Isn't that right, Dylan?
Yeah.
I totally didn't force him into this. Yeah, anyways, you can get out of the shot. So guys, if you like this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video.